Hello, Bonzo, Namaste. Hope you're doing well. Today we will discuss about class 12th human health and diseases. What is meant by health? It can be defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. When people are healthy, they are more efficient to work. Lifestyle include food and water we take, rest and exercise like yoga. We give our body habits that we have or lack. When the functioning of one or more organ has stopped in our body, we define as some symptoms, and we told us that we are not healthy, as we have suffering from some diseases which are easily transmitted from person to another person and called infectious diseases. Among non-infectious diseases such as cancer, it is the major cause of death. What you mean by pathogen? Pathogen means simply a disease causing organism. Now we are discussing some common diseases in human, such as typhoid. It is caused by a pathogen known as Salmonella typhi, and there are some common symptoms such as high fever, weakness, stomach pain, headache, chills, high fever, and also at some stages it can cause death. It can be confirmed by a test known as Vidal test, whether we have typhoid or not. Next, the mode of transmission. The mode of transmission is the pathogen enters in the small intestine through water or food we eat and migrate in different parts of our body and different organs. The next disease is pneumonia. Remember that the P is silent. Pneumonia. The pathogen is Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. There are common symptoms such as alveoli get filled with fluid, leading to some problems in respiration, you can say in breathing. Symptoms including fever, chills, cough, headache, and also the lips and the fingers turns from gray to bluish color. Mode of transmission is transmitted through droplets from infected person to non-infected person. Next, we're dealing with common cold. In day-to-day life, we are suffering from a cold known as common cold. It is caused by a pathogen known as rhinovirus. I'm repeating, rhinovirus. And you know the symptoms: headache, irritation, tiredness, pain in the throat, and the mode of transmission is droplets from an infected person to a normal person. Disease caused by protozoa like malaria. It is also known as bad air. Pathogen Plasmodium, and there are different Plasmodium species. Here we will discuss three type of Plasmodium species such as Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, and Plasmodium falciparum. The malignant malaria is Plasmodium falciparum, also denoted by P. falciparum. Organs affected mainly liver and RBC. RBC is also known as red blood cells, or you can say erythrocytes. It has a lifespan of 120 days. The method of transmission of malaria disease is by biting of a female mosquito known as vector. Here in a malaria disease, the female Anopheles mosquito is a vector. Symptoms of malaria: high fever, chills, fever occur on every alternate day, and sometimes vomiting. Another disease, amoebiosis. Pathogen is Entamoeba histolytica. Organ affected mainly large intestine in men, and method of transmission is through housefly. As in the interstitial discharge, the possibility of infection to healthy person is through contaminated water or improperly washed or cooked vegetable or fruits, you can say. The pathogen can also be transmitted through dirty hands. I'm repeating, amoebiasis disease can also transmitted through dirty hands. Symptoms in the large intestine and destroy the mucous membrane. This may cause the bleeding and ulcer that produce. Hence, patient passes out blood and mucus with the stool. There will be severe pain in abdomen, fever, nausea, stool with excess mucus and blood clots. These are the symptoms of amoebiasis. Prevention. What are the prevention of this disease? Proper disposal of facial matter of the patient. Vegetable and fruit, when used raw, should be thoroughly washed with hygienic water. Water should be boiled before drinking to avoid the disease. Next, immunization. What do you mean by immunization? The immunization is the main factor which saves our life. Immunity, the overall ability of host to fight the disease-causing organism, is known as immunity. There are two types of immunity: innate immunity and acquired immunity. What is innate immunity? It is non-type of defense mechanism present at the time of birth. It is of four types. First one is physical barrier, such as skin, covering of the body, secretion of mucus in the respiratory tracts. Second one is physiological barrier, such as acid in the stomach, TN in the eyes. Next, cellular barrier. Cellular barrier such as leukocytes, also known as white blood cells, WBC, PMLL. Next, cytokine barrier, you can say, example, interferon. What is interferon? Virus infected cells protect other healthy cells to get infected, is known as interferon. Next, acquired immunity. What is acquired immunity? It is a specific type of defense mechanism. It shows two types of response. First one is B lymphocytes. I'm repeating, first one is B lymphocytes and second one is T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes is also known as humoral immune. It means HI, and T lymphocytes is also known as mediated immunity, also known as cell mediated immunity or CMI. What is the major difference between B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes? The B stands for bone marrow, whereas T stands for thymus. B lymphocytes, they attack the invading cells secreting antibodies, whereas T lymphocytes, they directly kill the cells. They have short lifespan, whereas T lymphocytes have long lifespan. B lymphocytes, they become active and multiply to form plasma cells and memory cells. I'm repeating, they form plasma cells and memory cells, whereas the T lymphocyte differentiate into TH, TC and TS cells. Next, a big thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.